Hey girls, so thank you for clicking on my video. Today we'll be making this beautiful lip balm. So I went in with my stearic acid, my shea butter, and my bee wax. You can just add a little bit, a very little bit of the quantity because I'm making 5 grams. So I don't want the ingredient to be too much. I don't want it to be too thick. So I added in my colors there, my makeup pink makeup powder. So I added in after double boiling. So this is the hand look after double boiling. I went in with my flavor on, so you have this nice fragrance after making. So these are the end products. I want this video to be as short as possible. So if this is your first time I'm clicking on my YouTube channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this particular lip balm that you're looking at, a friend of mine actually collected it from me when she's done at this, and she really liked the way it was. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Love you.